Hey everyone, we are back for another day of incredible progress here at the stadium. The site is absolutely buzzing today, and we're seeing some of the most exciting changes yet. From major structural moves to the final aesthetic touches, there is so much to catch up on. You'll want to stick around for this one because the transformation today is truly impressive. Let's get straight into the action. The installation of the decorative llamas on the lateral side has become one of the most visible signs of progress. Currently, 3 main sectors are fully covered, showcasing the final colorful and vibrant aesthetic of the facade. These llamas are now catching the light, providing a clear look at how the finished exterior will appear. Progress on the first overhang remains steady. Large sections of glass have been installed along the perimeter, accompanied by the placement of rock wool, lana de roca insulation. This layer provides the necessary thermal and acoustic protection for the interior VIP zones located just behind the new facade. A major milestone is approaching in the lateral sector with the preparation of a new compression ring pillar. Workers are currently attaching yellow hoisting brackets to the pillar on the ground. This indicates that the piece is ready to be lifted and integrated into the crown of the stadium, which will eventually support the cable net roof structure. In the north goal, the team has begun positioning the heavy brackets for the escuadras, the large corner structural supports. Although one unit was recently lowered for technical adjustments, this marks the start of the facade's structural completion in this area. Installation of the large-scale glass panels for the main store has temporarily plateaued. While some units are still missing, the materials are already on site and organized in stacks. Once placement resumes, these massive panes will quickly enclose the shop and cafeteria. Heavy machinery is active in the south goal, specifically a crane lifting red structural components to the upper tiers. The vertical supports for the facade llamas are nearing 90% completion in this sector. The majority of the anchoring points are now secured to the main black beams. The corner of the north goal is seeing a massive influx of utility infrastructure. Large diameter drainage and ventilation pipes are being installed against the walls that have recently been painted black, ensuring the stadium's core systems are integrated. The access area for the parking lot has undergone a major transformation. After the removal of old walls, workers have installed steel reinforcement and formwork. This section is being prepared for a final concrete pour to level the entrance, significantly widening the parking access. The tribuna zone has seen a significant reduction in stored materials, as most prefabricated units have been moved to their final positions. The lower mechanical escalators are now fully equipped with handrails. Work is now transitioning to the upper levels to finalize the black structural beams. In summary, the stadium is seeing a major push in exterior finishes today. From the installation of the facade llamas and glass panels to the critical structural prep for the roof, every section is evolving. The site is busier than ever as the final look of the stadium begins to take shape. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for all the latest progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.